Ahead of the festive season, if you live in the national capital, you're going to face quite a challenge in buying liquor. Because of the new excise policy that's come into play, over 40% of the private liquor shops in the national capital will remain shut starting today. The government is saying they're going to be putting a number of steps in place to address the shortage of liquor supply. Here are the details you need to know.
Delhi is said to have bigger liquor shops and more choice of products. But before that happens, capital's drinkers will have to suffer some pain. To facilitate the implementation of the new excise policy, 260 private liquor shops or 40% of total vends will be shut from Friday. Though the government says arrangements are made to meet supply shortfall, citizens are already facing problems. Many are going as far as Gurugram to buy alcohol.
I think the decision to close the liquor shops is not acceptable because it will create a lot of hurdles. As it is, there is Corona time, and for the first time I am speaking without a mask. But I think lines will be there, and social distancing cannot be followed in these circumstances. And I think the government should reconsider its decision.
You will see people going to Gurgaon and then buying it at a cheaper rate from Gurgaon or whatever. There is a price difference in Gurgaon. So I think there will be a big revenue loss to the government, as well as it will be a threat to the Corona times which is currently happening.
Under its new excise policy, Delhi government has allocated fresh licenses to private firms for 850 shops that will open from 17th November. The 850 liquor vendors have been divided into 32 zones. In the newly established liquor shops, people would be able to walk in and choose the liquor brand of their choice. Some of such establishments will also have arrangements for snacks and other eating items. At present, there are 720 active liquor shops in Delhi, of which 40% are private and the remaining government-owned. Delhi government expects to get a revenue boost of about 3,500 crore rupees per year. The Delhi Liquor Trader Association, however, disputes the state government's claims.
मैं समझता हूँ कम से कम 45 दिन में 1000 करोड़ का लॉस हो जाएगा, कम से कम। और ये सारी शराब हरियाणा से और यूपी से आएगी, वहाँ से स्मगलर होगी, बूट लेकर पनप जाएंगे और अनलीगल दारू आएगी। हमारा सुप्रीम कोर्ट से गुजारिश है कि हमें रिलीफ दिया जाए, हमारी 45 दिन के हमारे बढ़ाए जाएं और हमारी ये जो गलत पॉलिसी आई है इस पॉलिसी को निरस्त किया जाए।
As you can see, the stock of liquor is completely over in this shop, but at the same time the rush you can see at the government liquor shop, which will be continue to remain open. The Delhi government has asked to make arrangements so that the demand of liquor does not decrease. This is Sushant Mehra with camera person Ankit for India Today.